1545, we get an NQ max dispersion at 1545, and there's 1545 candle coming in there. So that's obviously the S&P one as well at the same time, same price, same area. And of course, that little sell trade at 10s has done another $1,000. I think that takes our max tally to $5,000 profit per contract with a drawdown of almost zero. Well, we can all argue about it. But if that's not finding real algorithmic activity and being able to exploit it, I don't really know what is. We've bottom ticked. We've bottom ticked the NASDAQ. We've top ticked the NASDAQ twice, and we've had a trade storyline that, you know, within the confines of that we have available on NinjaTrader. And we all know that there is confines. That's why we've always struggled, because the problem we've always had is the ability to export information from NinjaTrader is zero. Sorry, from a TradingView is zero. We've always tried to get this information into things like NinjaTrader and into Sierra charts. And again, this is a conversation we've had with Kim before about this as a subject. We've always tried to get that information into one of the other platforms where we can add real-time order flow to find the perfect trade ideas. So when we look for these trades, it's always about that as a story. We're always trying to find that narrative, and that's the key, isn't it? That is always going to be the key. It's about building a narrative. It's not about claiming that it is everything. It's about building a narrative and saying, well, is it partly this storyline here? It's at 1510, the max dispersion bidder at 1510. Why that candle? Why no other candle in the whole entire drop, guys? That's the question you've got to ask yourself about whether this is actually finding real algorithmic trading. Why that candle there? Out of all of these drop candles, why that candle did it find a buy trade? Why out of all the candles that were rallying, was it that candle that found the sell trade? Why out of all of those candles that were rallying, was it that candle there that found the sell trade? There's got to be a reason. And if that reason is good enough, we can actually then say, well, what we're doing is we are finding the algorithmic entry process. We're finding the footprint of the algorithmic traders, and we're using that to get a higher probability trade reversal that nothing else can find. Nothing else is even close to these as three indicators. I can guarantee you could not find another retail trade indicator that has those three trades with that size of drawdown, top ticking and bottom ticking on three separate occasions. Call it whatever you like. Makes no difference. It's a bloody good indicator.